Hi, my name is Senol Sabankaya. On behalf of the Sabankayas, I welcome you. Today is Christmas Day, so we are doing a special event for our clients. As you see, honey, can you roam around? As you see, we have all the place settings and Christmas little trees, fruits. Can you take a more of a So it's a way to show our appreciation for the year-long stay at our facilities. And basically what we're doing today is we're going to serve them. They're going to sit down just like in a restaurant. And today's menu is omelet with hash browns, sausages, and a pastry, as you can see. And these are the ingredients that we're using. We're using mushrooms, tomatoes, and also shredded cheese.